Well, students, in the present video, we will learn about preposition, its definition, types and how prepositions are used in a sentence. Preposition. A preposition is a word that connects nouns with other parts of speech in a sentence, showing how they are related. Some prepositions tell you about position, place or time. Examples. 1. I am going to Karachi. 2. He threw a stone into the pond. 3. They have gone out of the town. Here. 2. Into, out of, or preposition. Types of preposition. 1. Preposition of time. 2. Preposition of place and direction. 3. Preposition of agents or things. 4. Phrasal preposition. Preposition of time. Some prepositions show the relationship of time between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. Examples. 1. We go to bed at night. 2. The manager called the meeting on Monday. 3. The trees lose their leaves during winter. 4. We watched the news until 2 a.m. Here. At. On. During. And. Until are used as prepositions, showing time. Preposition of place and direction. Some prepositions show the relationship of place between the nouns to the other parts of a sentence. Examples. 1. We are at home. 2. He came from London. 3. The burglar broke into the house. 4. I live across the street. Here, at, from, into and across are used as prepositions, showing place and direction. Here are some prepositions used for showing place and direction. On, at, in, from, up, down, toward, between, among, under, below, through, behind, above, over, etc. Preposition of agents and things. Some prepositions show the casual relationship between the nouns and the other parts of a sentence. Examples. Of. For. By. With. About. 1. I will always be here for you. 2. He is playing with his friends. 3. Most of the guests have already left. 4. This article is about politics. In the above sentences, for, with, of, about are used as prepositions. A phrasal preposition. A phrasal preposition is combination of two or more words which functions as a preposition. Examples: along with, apart from, because of, by means of, in front of, instead of, on account of, in addition to. Some sentences are: 1. They along with their friends went to the park. 2. In spite of being a good player, he was not selected. 3. According to the new rules, he is not right. 4. I am going out of the city. In the above sentences, along with, in spite of, according to, out of, are phrasal prepositions. In the end, we are giving you an exercise for practice. 1. The bus arrived (8:20 a.m.) 2. There is a picture (the wall). 3. He dived (the river). 4. The man fell (the ladder). 5. The dog is running (the cat). 6. Why are you still (the bed? Well, student, please carry out the given exercise. Okay. See the answer. 1. The bus arrived at 8:20 a.m. 2. There is a picture on the wall. 3. He dived into the river. 4. The man fell off the ladder. 5. The dog is running after the cat. 6. Why are you still in the bed?
Thanks for watching.